Ever wondered how people are making those ultra-realistic AI videos? That's Sora 2, OpenAI's next-gen text-to-video tool. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use Sora 2 and start creating your own AI videos in minutes. First, make sure you've got access. Go to openai.com/Sora or open the Sora app on iOS. Log in using your OpenAI or ChatGPT account. If it asks for an invite code, you can join the waitlist or use a friend's referral code. That's how most creators get early access. Once you're inside, tap the plus button to start a new video. Now, you'll see a text box. This is where the magic happens. Type what you want Sora to create. The more detailed your prompt, the better the result. To get stunning visuals, describe your scene clearly, include camera angles, lighting, and mood. For example, say drone view over mountain at sunrise with fog instead of just mountain video. Sora 2 understands cinematic language, so use it like a movie director. Now hit generate and wait a few seconds. Sora 2 will process your prompt and create a short AI-generated clip. You can preview it, save it, or refine your prompt if you want a different style or camera angle. Once you love the result, tap download to save it. You can edit it inside Sora or import it into CapCut or Premiere for sound and effects. Then share it on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. These videos go viral fast. Lightbulb pro tips: keep prompts under 60 words. Use action verbs like running, flying, smiling. Specify style: cinematic, anime, realistic, or slow motion. And most importantly, experiment. Each generation teaches you what works best. And that's how you use Sora 2 to create your own AI videos. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment what kind of video you want me to make next using Sora 2.